Hi everybody, welcome back. I thought I'd do a quick little stash ad. Over the last few weeks I've picked up a few things, so I thought I'd just show them off and let you know what I'm adding to the stack of models that I'm gonna build eventually sometime soon, in the near future. Maybe by the time I retire, you never know. Anyway, here we go. It's just a few items. So the first one is the Bandai Darth Vader. It's 1/12 scale plastic. Saw this, decided to pick it up. It was actually, I think I got this from Andy's hobby headquarters, so it was a decent price. It wasn't really all that expensive. So looking forward to putting this together. Should go together pretty easily. Next up, so 1/48 scale Riot HD1. Mostly this was a French plane that was flown in an Italian service during the First World War. I have not seen this particular plane before, so I picked it up. It's by Eduardo. It's 1/48 scale. Limited edition, so I bought it when I could get it. It does come with all the decals and stuff to do all of these different planes. It comes with some photo etch. Let's see here, the other box art here. 6 marking options. I'm actually, everybody knows I enjoy the First World War. I particularly enjoy researching the Italian and Austrian front fought in the Alps. An incredible place to fight a war. To be honest with you, for what most people don't know is that it was probably more deadly than the Western Front. Just between avalanches, the severe cold, lack of supplies, and essentially fighting on top of a mountain. So there's that. Also, to go along with that, I also picked up this kit, which is 2 of these Austrian planes, Albatross D3s, and it comes with markings for all of these planes. Also a 1/48 scale. So I'm going to look forward to doing these two. Again, just from, like I said earlier, my love for the Italian and Austrian front. So, and also this is a limited edition as well, so I thought I'd pick it up before I couldn't find it again. So there's that. And I also picked up an BD3 Dauntless. Of all the things that I've read about this, the Battle of Midway and other things, this was a very, very difficult plane to be in, right? Not very maneuverable. Was, a sitting duck, essentially, for the pilots who flew these, and the Devastator and all those, that, they had incredible losses. So, but I do like the plane. Again, this is 1/48 scale. So I'm looking forward to building this one. There's not much in the way of box art here. So if anybody's got any suggestions on the Hasegawa kit, let me know. And hey, I know I've done this one already, but I decided I needed to pick it up again and try again because the first one had issues, so I thought I'd revisit this and try it again. So this is the 250 GTO Ferrari by Fujimi. There's the kit. So we're going to try this again in the near future and add it to the stockpile of Ferraris that I have to build. Then we've got the Mang A7V German tank. It's their one and only heavy tank that they built for the First World War. It has a full interior And I'm actually thinking about doing this. Where is it? Actually thinking about doing this with one of the sides off, so you can actually see the interior of the tank. I think that'll look pretty good. So there's that. This will also go along with the other 4 or 5 World War I tanks I have to do. Then I also picked up this TACOM T55 AM2B. So I look forward to doing that. Just wanted to try something a little bit more modern. And then there's this kit. And I'm pretty sure I saw this on Butch's channel, BK, Scale Modelers. I think that's his channel name. Sorry, Butch, if I'm screwing up the name of your channel. But I saw this, and this just looked like an excellent kit, so I went out and bought it. It looks like a airbrush turned into a spaceship, and it's got lights and everything on it. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing this. This should be a fun build. Well, that's all I have. I hope everybody's having a great week. I hope you're all doing well and staying healthy. And if you liked the video, please like, comment, and share it. And I will talk to you all real soon. Bye.